Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting our proposed network design for One Hospital, a public healthcare institution that relies heavily on secure, fast, and reliable connectivity to carry out its daily medical operations.
These days, the availability, quality, and speed of a hospital network infrastructure are crucial for ensuring efficient healthcare delivery. The selected organization is a public healthcare institution which requires a secure, reliable, and well-structured network to support patient records, communication between medical departments, and a real-time access to the diagnostic system. This paper examines the network topology, designs, components, and justification behind the proposed system for one hospital, a public hospital.
One hospital provides a wide range of medical services, including emergency care, inpatient services, outpatient consultations, diagnostics, and administrative functions. Hospitals handle massive amounts of patient data daily, requiring strict accuracy, confidentiality, and speed. A strong network backbone supports electronic medical records or EMR and medical equipment connectivity, internal communication, and secure access to health information systems.
Our proposed network topology applies a hierarchical and redundant design to ensure continuous availability. The structure supports essential hospital operations such as nurses station, emergency rooms, laboratories, and billing office. The network includes multiple layers of switches and routers to improve communication among departments while ensuring security for sensitive patients' data. Scalability is also incorporated so that the network can grow with future hospital expansions.
The objectives is to analyze practical application of a structured network in a hospital environment, to understand the roles and configurations of devices such as routers, switches, wireless access points, and medical end-user devices, and lastly, to evaluate the performances, security, and reliability of the proposed hospital network design.
The network use follows a hybrid topology, primarily star-based, commonly applied in a hospital's infrastructure where reliability and fast communication are paramount. Each department, such as emergency, admission, billing, laboratory, and administration, is connected through managed switches. These switches link to a central core router, which, which routes data between departments and external systems, such as cloud-based medical record services.
This topology was selected because it allows for easy troubleshooting, flexible scalability, and isolation of network failures. If one device or segment fails, critical hospital service remain unaffected. Wireless networks are also deployed to support mobile devices used by doctors and nurses, such as table for patient charting and portable monitoring devices. One hospital network includes major departments, emergency, laboratory, billing, and administration. Wireless access is provided for staff to ensure efficient workflow while maintaining strict access control policies to protect sensitive information.
This is the network outline. We use static connectivity among our routers and end devices for a more consistent connectivity while we use DHCP on the wireless routers that are present on our design, while limiting their access on the data that has passed between our main routers so that outsiders can easily go through our files and network. This ensures a much secure data flow of the hospital's confidential and raw data access. While this one is the VLSM, the company's default network ID varies from different switches and routers. For our wireless routers, we use 192.168.0.1 as our default network ID, while on the other hand, we use different network IDs on the switches to avoid network overload and network traffic. As for the network total host available per network, we limited it to a valid range where it fully accommodates the needed networks while also limiting it so there won't be much excess IP addresses that might not be used based on relative distribution per office.
That sums up for our presentation today. Again, we are from the BSIT 3I, and we thank you all for listening.